Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Back with another video on the rowdy RSV4. The bike started, you guys see? I don't want to jinx it, but I started it like 4 or 5 times today and it's been starting. I don't think I've done anything different. Oh, is he putting the maps on? We are going on a ride. I think it's like a Bikemeet or something like that. Something that doesn't look like very crazy, but it looks kind of fun. So I was like, why not? You know, try it out. Redlining every gear. I was pressing buttons over here. My high beams are on now. What am I doing? I'm not used to this bike as much. Sun right in my face. It's like there's gonna be any like super bikes or if it's just like regular bikes. We must be close because I see some bikes. Oh, I need gas and the gas station is right here. We'll get gas after. Like no super bikes besides us. That's a cool spot though. Where are we going? Is that a skate park in there? That's dope. How are you doing? Good, good. Huh? Yeah, I was waiting on them to decide. I guess we're going there. Where's your bike? Huh? Where is your bike?
I've got my Triumph, but my BMW is
not ready yet?
Yeah, this month, this week.
Okay, I was like, this month? That's far. We just started this month.
It's been 3 months.
Jeez.
Yeah, my insurance is just taking forever.
2 of my BMWs. We'll see how long mine are gonna take. Yeah. I know. I miss it, but at least I have some bikes to ride, so.
You have like 3 other bikes to pull.
Alright, I'm gonna park. I'll be right back. Oh boy. Oh, this thing is kind of cool. Alright. This is not my scene, but it's cool to see. I don't know nothing about any of these bikes. Still limping, but getting better. I'm gonna check the place out. It's actually dope.